Hi everybody, welcome back to Cooking with RJ. Tonight I'll be showing you guys how to make some fried fish. Wow, check out this fish. Just take a look at it. Wow, so crispy. I'll show you guys how to create this delicious batter. Wow, look at that. So crispy. I'll show you guys this crispy batter so you guys can make this delicious fried fish over here. Wow. Okay guys, so for my fish and chips, we here got like about a 2 kg hake fish over here. So you can use any type of fish you like. So first I'm just going to remove the bones and fillet this. And then I'll show you guys how to marinate the fish meat. Okay, I'm just going to place them in this bowl and give it a good rinse. We'll give it a good rinse and then just let the water drain. And when we're about to marinate it, we gotta get some paper towels just to pat dry the fish before we marinate the fish. Over here I've got a baking tray. I'm just gonna layer the fillets on the baking tray. Okay, so first I'm gonna season the fish. I'm gonna first sprinkle some salt on top. Good amount of salt. We're then going to sprinkle some white pepper on top of the fish as well. Okay, we're going to add in a few teaspoons of sugar, like sprinkling. So we here about 2 teaspoons should be enough sugar. Next, I'm going to drizzle some Chinese rice wine to get rid of the fishy smell. And I'm going to add in a good amount of sesame oil. Just like that. Okay, next, over here I got 1 egg. I'm going to crack in 1 egg. And now, I'm going to get a glove and then just marinate the fish nicely. Mix it nicely with the egg and the salts and everything here. Tonight we are making a very crispy, battered fried fish. So it's going to be very tasty. If you want that crispy crunch on the fish, just add this egg. And yeah, we're also going to be adding cornstarch just now. Okay, so give it a good mix like that. Now let's add in a good amount of cornstarch. Okay, I'm going to add in about 3 teaspoons. We just want to create this thick batter that coats over the fish. And then it will help stick onto the batter that we're going to dip this fish in. Okay, let's give this a good mix now. Okay guys, so you want something like this. Now we'll just let it marinate for about 15 minutes. While that's marinating, I'll show you guys how to make the batter for this fish. Okay guys, let me show you guys my batter. If you don't want to use this batter, you can use like Japanese tempura flour. That's already like pre-mixed. But this is my style. So it's just 6 hake fillets. So I'm just gonna add in 4 heaped tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Next, I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm just gonna give it a quick sprinkle of salt all around. So it should be like half a teaspoon of salt, and also I'm just gonna sprinkle some white pepper. About half a teaspoon as well. I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of sugar. Okay, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, first I'm just going to give this a little whisk all around, a quick whisk. Okay, now I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Okay, now I got some just normal cool down water over here, and I'm gonna just slowly pour it in here to create a thick batter. So if you like pour too much water, you just need to add in a bit more all-purpose flour and cornstarch to thicken up. So we start slowly. Make sure the batter is very thick, a thick kind of consistency that can stick onto the fish. Add more water here because it's too thick. Just keep on adding slowly so you don't need to add any more additional flours and all that stuff. You see now it's still kind of doughy. That's not the consistency we want. Okay, it's getting there now. Okay, the consistency looks right now. Can you see this? It's kind of drippy, but not like water kind of drippy. It's a bit sticky as well. So this is the consistency we're looking for, guys. Nice. If you feel like it's not even thick, that means it's just too wet, so you need to add more flour. But like this is the right consistency. Okay, once you got the correct consistency of your batter, we're going to just pour in a little bit of oil. Just adding in a little bit of olive oil here, and then just give that a good mix again. And then this batter, once you deep fry your fish, you'll end up with very crispy fried fish, guys. Okay, now the batter's prepared. The fish should be marinated. Let's go deep fry this, and we'll also deep fry some chips as well. Okay guys, so I preheated my oil over here. I'm using sunflower oil. Here's my fish. Let's dip this in the batter and fry it. Okay, first the batter, let's just give it a quick mix. This is gonna be messy, so I'm just gonna wear a glove. Okay, just grab a fillet here, put in the batter around nicely. You drain a little bit, and then layer it in the oil. Okay, so once we layer the fish, you don't want to move it around so that it can form a little crust at the base. Once the base forms a little crust, then we can give it a good flip. And make sure the temperatures are medium. I'm using gas heat here. Wow, it's very crispy, guys, very crispy. When I just use my chopsticks. Just gonna fry this until it's golden color, then we know it's ready. Okay guys, as you can see, there's a lot of bubbles popping out. When there's a lot of bubbles popping out, that means a lot of the water content in the fish is coming out, so the fish won't be ready. Once you see there's not much bubbles coming out, then you know the fish is well done. But anyways, once the coating of this fish turns golden, everything should be perfect. If you fry it for too long, then you'll end up with very dry fish. Wow, looking nice, guys. Okay guys, so my fish has been cooking about 6 to 7 minutes. As you can see, the coating is very crispy. It's time to lift it out. Once it's golden, everything is perfect. Wow, check at that, guys. Close up. Crispy, guys. Okay guys, I'm just going to deep fry the other batch, and then it's time for dinner. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and hope you guys give this a try and let me know how it went. Okay guys, let me just do this and then I'll show you guys my dinner table. Okay guys, this is my fish. Look at how golden color it is, and here's my salad and here's my chips. Wow, check out this. Just tap the fish. Crispy, crispy, guys. Hope you guys give this recipe a try and let me know how it went.